gentlemen, welcome back, and we have another episode using eggplant. Nonna Pina, how are you?
Okay.
Okay, so we just finished the sun-dried tomato episode. It's the same day, and now we're gonna finish today doing some pickled eggplants. These eggplants will be sliced into strips. They will be then soaked in vinegar and water, about a half water, half vinegar mixture, Ma?
Yeah.
Right? And they're going to soak for 2-3 hours. And then we'll see what Nonna Pina does after that. But these are pickled eggplants that will be jarred and that you can enjoy with bread. I mean, that's the way I used to eat them as an appetizer. So another appetizer episode, pickled eggplants. Let's see how this works out. Love it. Okay, Nonna Pina, let's see what you're going to do. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it has been 4 hours. It has been 4 hours. What we've done is we put a weight on top of a bowl, which then made sure that everything is under the water and vinegar, okay? So it's under pressure. And Nonna Pina, it's been 4 hours. The next step is we're going to take the lid off and we're going to strain the eggplant. Basically remove as much of the liquid as possible. And we're going to put them in the bowl, and then we're going to marinate with oregano, salt, pepper, parsley, basil, and vegetable oil, and then we're going to jar it. Okay, so what do you do now, Nonna Pina?
Squeeze.
You're going to transfer them over there now, and this is where you're going to marinate them and jar them. This is the final stage, right, Ma?
Yeah.
Questo è l'ultimo da fare, right? Excellent. So, let's see you do it, Nonna Pina.
Okay.
Okay?
Oil.
Oil? Yeah. Okay, so quite a bit of oil. Yep. Yep, all of it. Parsley, basil, oregano, salt. Stir it up and let's see how it tastes. Fallo che mano, ma. Fallo che mano.
Okay.
Che mano fallo. Okay, so I was wrong. 3 eggplants, 2 jars. Nonna Pina really shoved them in there. Well, Nonna Pina,
Wait.
I just tasted that,
Yeah.
and that just tasted fantastic. And it's quick and easy. And you serve this with bread, on bread, by itself. It's just fantastic. So, Nonna Pina, as always, say thank you to the lovely people. Ma? Say bye.
Bye.
All right.